The U.S. support network for XRP has grown at B and C after the asset was relisted. By the way, what XRP has done by recovering from a 15-month deficit in just 24 hours is unprecedented. In addition, I will be studying with you the startling increase in daily account creations. Does the SEC's victory over me result in an absolute loss for Ripple at long last? In case you were wondering where you could find the most up-to-date information about XRP and other cryptocurrencies, go no further than Coin Matters channel. You won't want to miss today's video in which we discuss the promising future of XRP, so pay close attention. If you're new here, the best way to stay up to date with all of our uploads and enter our contest is to subscribe to the channel and enable post alerts by clicking the bell. This video is not intended to serve as financial guidance. In a recent tweet, Nancy to Twitter said that a new convert pair for XRP had been added to the platform, which is a sister platform to the world's largest exchange finance. In a recent tweet, the team announced the addition of ARB and XRP convert pairs. For background, the benign Us convert is a function that facilitates instant and straightforward exchanges between various cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. It's worth noting that users can perform the conversion promptly and at no extra expense. Binace Convert supports more than 20 cryptocurrencies, including XRP Sol, Bitcoin and Ethereum, USDC, ADA, and USDT, and was launched on April 15, 2022 in response to rising customer demand. The platform has been on CEUs for mentioned XRP for 2 weeks prior to the announcement. Remember that in January 2021, less than a month after the SEC classified XRP as an unregistered security, NCS delisted the coin. Binace removed XRP off its list of cryptocurrencies on January 13, 2021, shortly after the SEC accused Ripple of marketing XRP as an unregistered securities. Judge Torres' ruling that XRP is not a security has prompted Coinbase and Kraken to once again make it available for trade. It's interesting that the exchange has gone above and above by adding support for XRP. Meanwhile, since the start of the year, rising demand has led to increasing market activity in XRP. After Judge Torres ruled on July 14 that the coin was not a security, the asset's future became even more uncertain. According to previous reports, XRP has seen a global trade volume of around $117 billion in 2023. It's fascinating to see that interest in the coin persists. On July 23, renowned XRP promoter Louis Jackson reported that a staggering 3.2 million XRP accounts had been created. According to these numbers, around 1166 new accounts are generated per day. According to XRP scan results, there are presently 4.72 million active XRP accounts. There are a total of 100 billion XRP, 58.27 billion of which are now in circulation and 41.7% of which are locked away in escrow accounts managed by Ripple. Meanwhile, a total of 11.46 million XRP had been spent as of this writing. XRP is trading at 69 cents, down 2.5% from its all-time high in the last day and a half. Michael Van Poppy, a well-known crypto analyst, recently tweeted about the fascinating story behind XRP's recent metric surge, using it to foreshadow something bigger. Poppy pointed out that in just 24 hours, XRP managed to wipe off the equivalent of 15 months' worth of losses with a stunning bull breakout. The crypto expert cites XRP as evidence for the normal behavior of cryptocurrencies during a full-blown bull movement. He explained that the actions of XRP serve to illustrate the effects of a bullish breakout. Bear in mind that a bear market breakout is a sudden drop in value, whereas a bull market breakout is a strong, continuous rise in value. On July 13, when a U.S. court ruled that XRP was not a security, it began displaying similar behavior. Within a day, the value of the assets increased steadily from 47 cents to 93 cents. However, some skeptics raised questions about how long this rapid ascent may last. Another Twitter user acknowledged XRP's amazing recovery, but made a key point about the potential ramifications if prices collapsed after 3 months. He theorized that many investors would jump at the chance to cash out during such times, which may slow the market's ascent by reducing trading activity. Poppy recommended that crypto traders and investors use dollar cost averaging and prudent fund allocation in light of the XRP model. Token cost averaging, TCR, is a method of hedging against the effects of market volatility in which an investor commits a constant sum to a token at predetermined intervals. According to the crypto analyst, this technique would allow investors ride out temporary price drops with more composure. Furthermore, the veteran analyst advised XRP investors to resist peer pressure and stay insulated from social media trends by keeping their cryptocurrency in cold storage. Fortitude in the face of market volatility, along with prudent resource allocation, was emphasized. DCA: don't let yourself get swayed by peer pressure or the internet. Moreover, prominent XRP influencer Lewis Jackson recently tweeted that, as of July 25, 2023, an unprecedented amount of XRP accounts have been activated. Jackson revealed that more than 3.2 million people now have one of these rapidly expanding accounts. However, this number is over 4.7 million, as verified by the Crypto Basics. Jackson shouted on July 23 that more than 3.2 million XRP accounts had been created. He also concluded that this number corresponds to approximately 1166 new accounts every day. The XRP leader also posted a graph showing how the number of XRP accounts has steadily increased over the past decade. An interesting remark was made by a skeptic who expressed concern that some of Jackson's findings could be misinterpreted. The Twitter user brought out the possibility that the number of accounts may be inflated and the total image may be skewed because some persons may have XRP and other assets and many wallets. A second response casts doubt on Jackson's 3.2 million number, questioning both its veracity and its justification. To minimize any mistake, the commenter called attention to Jackson's prior post, in which he exposed a tabulated record of more than 4.7 million XRP accounts. Amidst the doubt, one XRP supporter questioned why the rumored increase in new accounts has not resulted in a commensurate rise in the value of XRP. During the previous week, XRP has largely been inactive on the market, with its value remaining stable at roughly 7 cents. Data from reliable XRP explorers like XRPscan and XRP Ledger indicate that there are roughly 4.72 million XRP accounts in total. More recently this month, it was announced that the XRP ecosystem added over 138 new addresses in the second quarter of 2018. Significantly, these numbers represent a meteoric rise for the XRP ecosystem. Following its historic win over the U.S. regulator 2 weeks ago, XRP has been in the spotlight. According to reports, investor enthusiasm for the digital asset continues to climb, which is good news for its price and trading volume. No, not to today's pressing issue. Is Ripple doomed if the SEC prevails in this case? In a recent tweet in support of XRP, lawyer John Deaton responded to a tweet by American businessman Mark Cuban by reiterating his belief that Judge Annalisa Torres will deliver the same verdict in the Ripple case despite the SEC's appeal. Cuban asked an important question: how many crypto projects still act as a common enterprise in the industry? Cuban claims that SEC head Gary Gensler classifies crypto constructors as investors because it serves his purpose. Cuban also pointed out that many tokens' common enterprise has come to an end due to the fall in crypto investment over the previous few years. Attorney DT's response and the SEC's Cuban made a very convincing argument. That's why I advocated for appealing the verdict on Torres even if it was upheld. Deaton predicted that the result wouldn't be an easy win for the SEC. Since the third way factor was not met, he claimed that the judge's finding on Ripple's programmatic sales did not address the question of whether or not the company and the broader XRP ecosystem share a similar enterprise. Notably, Deaton claimed that the SEC has a harder time proving the common enterprise element. The judge decided not to consider the SEC's expert witness testimony. Furthermore, according to attorney Deaton, Ripple has submitted thousands of affidavits from users who purchased XRP for reasons other than as an investment. For those who may have forgotten, Judge Torres decided that the selling of Ripple's XRP on digital exchanges does not constitute the sale of securities. Since regular people's money wasn't supposed to increase in value because of the company's efforts. It's worth noting that the judge reached her decision based on solely the third criteria of how many securities lawyers have predicted that the Second Circuit will overturn the verdict since the judge announced her ruling. Meanwhile, Attorney Deaton stated that the issue would still be heard by the Second Circuit even if the SEC prevailed on appeal about the third factor of Howey. When this is done, Judge Torres will be able to use the other two components of the Howey test. He continued by saying that Judge Torres would probably rule that the SEC's arguments that XRP transactions or securities do not meet the other two criteria, an investment of money and a common enterprise. Deaton hypothesized that the judge's ruling wouldn't change under these circumstances. Guys, I'm afraid that's all we can offer you for now. How do you feel about XRP? Participate and share your thoughts in the discussion thread. A big thumbs up is in order if you like this video. Additionally, if you want to be notified the next time we release a video on the newest XRP and cryptocurrency news, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. See you later, bye.